Hey everyone, it's me Jan, and in this chapter we will talk about soft skills of UX designers. Activities of UX designers never stay alone. It doesn't depend if you work as a freelancer or in a company. You will work in teams including other designers, developers, project or product managers, or you will just cooperate on the project with your clients directly. The working in the team brings many advantages but also requirements on the soft skills of every designer. This course is focused mainly on the hard skills of UX designers. You will learn how to create good looking and usable interfaces and many more, but as we have learned in the previous chapter, UX design is working with people. This fact places a demand also on your soft skills. So let's just quickly go through the list of the 6 most important soft skills of every excellent UX designer. The first one is empathy. Solving users' problems is the work of UX designer. That's quite difficult without understanding the real user's needs, pains or feelings. So do not forget on the users who will benefit from the design interface. Talk with them and always aim for having a clear view about them. Then we have critical thinking. Do not succumb to the first impression. Solve problems systematically, evaluate arguments, ask questions, search for real data, and go to the heart of a problem. That's simply critical thinking. Also learn about and be aware of cognitive biases, which could have a negative effect on your designs, but that's a quite big topic, so it wouldn't be that effective going through some of particular biases, but definitely you can check some of them. To be honest, I was always struggling with communication skills. I wasn't confident enough because English is not my native language, but the best step is just to start communicating and speaking to other people. You will see that you will improve a lot in this way, so just start. You can start, for example, on Instagram. I know that communication is quite different than presenting to clients or in a corporation, but it's a great opportunity to practice, especially if English is not your native language and you aspire to work for international clients. Just one more thing about communication. A great designer isn't only a good speaker, you should be also a good listener. This fact is closely connected to the empathy skills that we have mentioned previously. The next one is a collaboration. Designers are usually not able to deliver the whole product on their own. There should be a very close collaboration with developers, marketers, and product managers. Based on my experience, team spirit is a highly evaluated aspect of every UX designer, and it could be your big advantage, mainly during applying for some full-time jobs in companies. Also, I want to point out that the work of designers doesn't end with the final interactive prototype of an interface that we will create also in this course. You should be interested in the right implementation of your design and be at the developer's right hand. Then there is an adaptation. The world is changing at enormous speed, especially in the technology field. As a UX designer, you should follow trends in your field and learn every day. Learn not only from experts, books or courses in this field, but mainly from your mistakes. I just want to say that it's absolutely okay to make mistakes because it's actually through mistakes that you can grow. You have to get bad in order to get good. Last but not least is the ability to be open to feedback. A designer who isn't able to deal with criticism and feedback will be probably stuck in one place during the whole career. Feedback and criticism should be a source of improvements for you. So my advice is just don't be toxic to people who want to give you a constructive criticism. Moreover, we will search for the mistakes in the design during testing sessions of the process. We have talked about soft skills in one of the first chapters of this course because before we will start with our own hard skills, it's important to set up the right mindset, and that could be done through those soft skills. We have mentioned empathy, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, adaptation, and being open to feedback. That was all for this chapter. Don't forget to complete the quiz and see you soon.